bad news is there's a lot of different sewing machine needles, but the good news is you're only gonna use 2 of them. In the second one, you're not really gonna use all that much at all. You are probably a lot like I was in the beginning, where you have a desire. You have a desire to get your clothes to fit you the way that you want them to, and you know that it could happen. You know that you can tailor your clothes yourself, but it seems really insurmountable. It seems like a really, really hard task to do, and that's because there's so many components to it that don't matter at all, that you're not gonna end up using. All the tools and the settings end up kind of feeling overwhelming, and sewing machine needles add to that problem. But luckily, there's literally 2 needles that you're going to use. You're gonna use a universal needle and you're gonna use a denim needle. You're gonna use a universal needle for, well, everything really. It's very robust, it's a jack of all trades, it can do a lot of different things, and then when it comes to anything thicker, let's say jeans, denim, leather canvas, things like that, that's when you're gonna use a denim needle. It really is that simple. And yes, there's ballpoint needles and microtex needles and jersey needles and a couple of other different needles, but generally speaking, if you're just tailoring your t-shirts and your dress shirts, dress pants, chinos, things like that, a universal needle will get you by like 90% of the time. Like for real, I don't use a jersey needle or a ballpoint needle like pretty much ever. I have them somewhere, I don't even know where they are. Never use them. You can buy all your sewing machine needles at Walmart for like $3, which is exactly what I do. Or yes, you can get them at like Joann Fabrics if you have one near you. But if you've been here for a while, you'll know that I have a love-hate relationship with Joann Fabrics. Mostly hate, because little did I know that there were apparently pretentious sewing machine salespersons out there that judge you for what you're buying and have like a lot of prerequisites as to why you're buying it. And I'm like, yo, I just want this presser foot. Like, why? Shut up. Now, sewing machine needles have a couple different... Gotcha. You thought your phone froze, didn't you? Keep watching. Sewing machine needles have 2 numbers on them. The first number is a European size, and the second number is an American size. The European number goes from 60 all the way up to 120. 60 for thinner materials and 120 for thicker materials. And then there's the American size, 8 all the way up to 19. 8 for thinner materials and 19 for thicker materials. See, you got this. And all they do is just combine the 2 numbers together, with the European number coming first and the American number coming second. So let's say a 60-8 needle is gonna be for thinner materials, things like silks and linens and things that are a little bit more delicate. And then if you have a 120-16 needle, that's gonna be for thicker materials, denim, leather, canvas, you know, etc., etc. I keep saying dash, but I think it's a /. I know somebody's gonna let me know that down in the comments. We'll see. And a universal needle is right in the middle at 80- or /12. And that's the needle you're gonna use 90% of the time, if not 95% of the time. Oh, and pro tip, change your needle regularly. If you go on a tailoring binge, you're definitely gonna wanna change it. Now, let's say you were to tailor 5 t-shirts in an afternoon. Yeah, change your needle. If you're using a denim needle and you tailor 3 pairs of jeans, yeah, change your needle. They don't last forever. Let's go do something fun. Let's go shorten a dress shirt. Said no one ever, I guess. Whatever, I think it's fun. It's in the next video. I will see you over there. SD out. See ya.